So today, before we start today's video, we actually have a sponsor. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I know there's a lot of you out there who have a car, even whether it's a daily driver or it's your project car, especially those 90s cars, where you have some pretty bad headlights. There's actually a really cool company that reached out to me called AUXITO, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm pretty sure. Gloves and stuff. Look at all this. So basically, my headlights suck. So these are going on the Hyundai, the daily driver. So we're gonna replace them. First thing we're gonna do is pop the hood. So these are the LED light Q16. Now, it was really cool enough, if you go on their website, which you're looking at right now, you're able to actually put in your make and model and it'll pick out all kinds of options for you.
Those.
Wow, that's pretty sick.
That is.
Yeah, I'm so excited. All right, pop the little caps off. There's a little clip in here that holds the light on. Listen, all I have to say, if you have these, you're crazy, you're slacking. All right, so as you can see, these are pretty bad. It's like not even the same comparison. Look at that. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, so. All right, so shout out to AUXITO. I appreciate you guys sending me these. Not even just for the advertisement. These are actually sick, total W. So yeah, like I said, use the code xavejagz. I think you get like 10 or 15% off. Get yourself some headlights.